In this lecture, we will discuss about female reproductive system and its function in summarized form. Let's take a start. The front view of internal female reproductive system consists of ovary where oogenesis occur which produce egg cell, fallopian tube which carry egg cell toward the uterus where implantation of zygote occur, development of fetus occur in the uterus. Endometrium, the inner wall of the uterus, where it's there is periodic changes occur in the wall of endometrium. Cervix, the opening of the uterus, and vagina, also called birth canal. This is the side view of female reproductive organ. You can see ovary, this is fallopian tube, this is the uterus, cervix, the opening of the uterus, vagina, the birth canal, urinary bladder and its opening to the outside urethra, and anus. The reproductive cycle in human and other primates is called menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a series of cyclic changes that the uterine endometrium goes through each month. During the first stage of menstrual cycle, the endometrium layer is thin, during which the maturation of egg cell occur. During the second stage, ovulation takes place less than 5 minutes. During the second stage, ovulation takes place. Under the influence of estrogen, the basal layer of endometrium generates a new functional layer. Consequently, the endometrium once again becomes velvety, thick and well vascularized. The final stage, which is called menstruation phase, the uterus shed all but the deepest part of its endometrium. The thick hormone-dependent functional layer of the endometrium detached from the uterine wall, a process that is accompanied by bleeding for 3 to 5 days. This is the overview of menstrual cycle. The release of egg from ovary, ovulation when there is no fertilization in the fallopian tube, the inner layer of endometrium detached in the form of menstrual flow called menstruation, and again the maturation of egg cell in the ovary. A new life begins when there is fertilization and conception of egg cell occur, followed by pregnancy and the birth of baby. When the union of ovulated egg occur with the sperm cell, male gamete, a zygote will form, followed by marulation, formation of marula and blastula and its implantation in the uterine wall, followed by gastrulation and organogenesis. This is the view of first 9 weeks of pregnancy. You can see the uterus, cervix, vagina, placenta, which is a connection between mother and fetal blood, amniotic fluid, umbilical cord through which exchange of nutrients material occur, fetus. This is the week of 20 week of pregnancy. You can see the placenta, umbilical cord, cervix, vagina, uterus, amniotic fluid. Sometimes the process of conception can result in more than one baby, called twin. Twin can either be identical or fraternal. Identical twin may or may not share the same amniotic sac, depending on how early the single fertilized eggs divide into two. Fraternal twin or two separate fertilized eggs, they usually develop two separate amniotic sac, placenta and supporting structure. If you have any question, you can ask right in the comment box.